YouTube has been rolling out features that is actually going to enable YouTubers to be comfortable here, putting up content and also making good money. And trust me, you guys, this is not something that you want to miss. I'm making this video for people that are considering joining the YouTube platform come 2026. Trust me, you guys, you don't want to miss out. I'm going to be talking about this 4 new YouTube feature that is definitely going to help you. And if I cannot complete it in this video, of course, I'm going to do it in another video, just so I don't want this video to be too long. The first YouTube feature I'm going to be talking about here is the fact that YouTube has now enabled selling of courses on the YouTube platform directly. Like, as a YouTube content creator, you can now sell courses directly on the YouTube platform, and this means that you don't even need, oh my god, this one is so scourging, that means you don't even need to be monetized before you start making money here on the YouTube platform, because I love to talk about money, you guys. So let's start with the money part. And this one, selling courses, means just selling your knowledge, right? You can talk about things that you know, you can put them into courses, whether video courses or whether pictorial courses. You know, you can teach people what you know. You can talk about maybe something that you've learned before that is actually helpful. You can teach people some things, right? And then you can put them up in courses and sell it here. And trust me, one good thing about selling courses is that once you do it once, like once you've been able to record it, if it's a video course, you can record it just once and you can keep selling it for years, right? And aside even just preparing it once and you'll be selling it, you know, for years, imagine always having money coming into your account even while you sleep. Like, you don't have to be online for you to be making this money. The money is already there for you to make it, right? You'll be sleeping and people will just be buying your courses, and this is money in your account for you. And another reason why I like it is the fact that the money will directly go to your Adsense account. Yes, it will directly go to your Adsense account. So it's really easy for you to meet up your $100 Adsense threshold mark. Of course, I'm going to also check that and keep it up here for you. It is also easy because a lot of people still find it difficult to actually meet up their $100 mark or the $100 monthly threshold on Adsense. So it's going to really make it very easy for you to meet up this threshold. Another one of the YouTube feature that YouTube actually brought recently was the fact that you can turn your live stream into shorts, making it a short video. Now, remember that before, when you want to turn your long form videos or your live stream content into shorts, you have to be the one to edit it by yourself, right? And now you don't have to even bother yourself editing this video on a long process, right? Or you going to edit this video by yourself. You will just do it automatically on the YouTube, right? On your YouTube studio, and it's going to help you to get a lot of shots. Like, you see that your 1 hour live stream, you can get like 10 shots from it and put it up on your short, promoting your live stream, right? Or promoting any of your YouTube videos that you want to promote. This is going to help you to get subscribers. This is going to help you to get views. This is also going to help you direct your audience to your long form content. Trust me, you guys, this is a lot. Like, this is a lot when it comes to growing here on YouTube. And if you are somebody that is thinking that growing on YouTube is still hard, it is not difficult, you guys, especially with this particular new feature, because one video can make up to like 10 videos for you, especially if you go live a lot, right? You can use it and make like 10 shots. And trust me, out of 10 shots, you would not tell me that you would not see at least 100 subscribers coming in from your 10 shots, especially if they are very engaging. I don't know about you, but trust me, 2026 is looking like $1 million for a lot of creators who are going to actually annex this opportunity. If you are yet to, you know, think of maybe you want to come on YouTube, or you don't know if you have to come on YouTube, see, this is the opportunity for you. YouTube is actually giving and making it very easy. The remaining 2 feature, I'm going to discuss it in another video because I'm currently on the road. Of course, I just want to wrap this up very quickly so that I can, you know, do what I am doing. But definitely, trust me, I'm going to continue this video in another one, and I'm going to complete that feature because it's something that you want to see, something that you want to know, you want to hear me talk about it. And if you actually enjoyed this video so far, you want to grow here on YouTube, I currently run 5 YouTube channels. Kindly go ahead and subscribe because I drop a lot of tips, I drop a lot of things that you can use to grow your YouTube channel. Go ahead and check out my videos. I'm going to leave the links there. I'm going to leave the links to those videos in my description box, and this is actually going to give you a lot of tips in all of these videos so that you can be able to grow your own YouTube channel. Thank you so much, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.